would you say is the secret to longevity in a tattoo?
Sometimes people think that longevity is going to be about using certain pigments. Most pigments are pretty much equal in terms of their longevity. Really what's important is all the things that would normally make a tattoo a good tattoo. So if it's clear and readable from a distance, you've got large shapes, you've got strong lines, you've got decisive use of shading where some shapes are dark and others are light, and you can clearly see a rhythm of dark and light flowing shapes from a distance. That is a good predictor that that tattoo is going to age well.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to continue on to the next video, click over here. To start from the beginning of the series, click down here. And if you're looking for a great resource as a tattoo artist, you just follow this link right here.